Okay, so this video here is to help you with your Delta Math assignment, because technically on each one of these problems, there are 7 different things that you have to get correct. So the first thing I have to do is I have to graph this first equation. So I have y is less than negative x minus 2. So I'm going to go ahead and graph my line. So I'm starting at negative 2, and I'm going down 1, right 1, and there's my line. Now the next thing I have to do is I have to check the symbol. So we made the little box in our notes, and it's also up on the board for our little cheat symbol. So this is the less than symbol. So that means I need a dotted line or dashed, whatever you want to call it, and I'm shading below the line. So I'm going to go ahead and change my line from a solid to a dashed, and then I'm going to change my shading to be below. So as you guys can see, this is shaded below the line, not above the line. And now I have this like kind of purple color. For the second line, I'm going to start at negative 8, right? Because my y-intercept is negative 8, and my slope is 1/2. So I'm going to go up 1, right 2. So starting at negative 8, I go up 1, right 2. There's my second line. I check my symbol now. That's a less than or equal to symbol. Okay, so that I go check my cheat box, and my less than or equal to symbol says I need a line that is below but also solid. So I'm not going to change it to a dashed line. I'm going to keep it solid, and I'm going to shade below. Now you guys can see right here, I have this green area, okay? So that is only a solution to the second inequality. I have this purple area. That is only a solution to the first inequality. But here I have this kind of ugly blue-green. And if you can't really tell the colors apart, that's okay. Look at the crisscrossing of the lines. Do you see how we have lines going both directions in this area here? Now, you can pick an ordered pair from anywhere in this section here. So, for example, I could pick 5, negative 9, which would be right about there. Okay, I could pick 1, negative 10. I could pick negative 1, comma, negative 9, which would be right there. Anything that's in that shaded area. So for this one, I'm going to pick 2, negative 9. So 2, comma, negative 9 is my ordered pair. I'm going to go ahead and hit submit. And then you'll see the computer actually picked a slightly different one, right? It says many other possible points. Their sample was 1, negative 9. Mine was 2, negative 9, right? But both of us picked points in that area there. Okay, so here's another example that we can go over. So this first one, I'm starting at positive 4. I'm going up 1, right 3. As you guys can see, it's no different than how we graph those 100 problems. So if you don't know how to do that, that's telling me you need another 100 problems. I'm going to check the symbol. This is the new part. So I have a greater than or equal to symbol. So I'm going to keep it as a solid line, and I'm shading above. My next one, I'm starting at negative 2. And I'm going to go down 5, right 3. Negative 2, down 5, right 3. And from there, I have a less than or equal to symbol, so I'm shading below with a solid line. I don't need to change the line to dotted. I keep it solid, and I'm shading below. So once again, we have the solutions to the first inequality. We have the solutions to the second inequality. And then over here, we have the solutions to both inequalities in that crisscrossed area. So I'm going to pick the ordered pair negative 8, 5, somewhere kind of right in the middle. So that'd be right about here. Let me see if I can do that. Yeah, somewhere. Okay, what came up was negative 8, 6. That's what's highlighted there. But somewhere right in that area. So I'm going to do negative 8, comma 5. Anything in that area is correct. And you'll see they chose the point negative 7, 3, but we still get the same answer. If you need more additional help, what you can do is you can watch the videos, and they will help you out as well.